Hello and welcome to InDesign, how to make a lesson plan. Now here's one I've made earlier, so bear with us. And it's a 2-page layout, and so we're going to go to File, New Document. Right, there's our document. We're going to have 2 pages. Add an image to the top. So this is InDesign, so it's a little bit different. So let's add a placeholder at the top. That will do nicely. And then that's File, and let's place our image in. Okay, and that's how big the actual image is. If you see it, if you just go like that. So if we pull this up and along, say about there, looks about quite nice. Right, that will do. And that's our box for our text. And then we're going to go Table, Insert Table, and how many rows and columns. You can always add to this later anyway. So let's say for now, probably want 6 rows, 5 columns. Okay, right, so there's your basic start of the table. Go down to Table, and you can see you can split horizontally and you can split vertically. So if we split vertically like that, then you end up, as you can see, in that cell with another space. I'll just show that again. If you go Table, split vertically. So for example, if we go here, pull this one along here, you can go Table, and merge cells, and that will give you a merged cell there. Now you could also colour in the individual cells, so you just pick a cell and say blue, that will do. So now you have a blue cell. So as you can see, that's how I did the top of my lesson plan here. So I just kept going like that, and then I added more to the table. So when it comes to actually exporting it, I'll be in File, and then we want Export. As you can see, I am using CS6, so unfortunately I don't have all the options to create cloud, so I've just been pressing Print and then Save.